We are pleased to show you the 2023 Cabriolet. The Audi Cabriolet. Solid German engineering. Smooth powertrain with a comfy interior will have you riding in luxury. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, turbocharged, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, LED headlights, fog lamps, integrated turn signal mirrors. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.